Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mark here, Forex. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to improve your trading journey, and there's some very important points that I want you guys to know, because if you don't follow these steps you will not become a good trader. This is exactly what I followed, and as you grow in trading you keep discovering things for your own self that you may never really find online. So let's go straight into it. Before getting to it, please, if you're new or if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. So the first thing I want you guys to know about trading is that trading is a marathon, it's not a sprint. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're going in with that mentality that within the next 1 month or within the next 2 months you'll be making millions, you're gonna fail. It's a skill on its own, and you know that every skill requires time to become good at it. You can't just become a footballer within a month or two. Meanwhile, something which you have never done before. It requires some time for you to become good in the game. So trading may take you like 2 or 3 years if you want to become very good at it. Some people, it may take 1 year, that's if they're under street mentorship, while some others may take like 6 years, 7 years. They are not even still good at trading. It's different for different people. What matters is that you focus yourself and you keep improving yourself every single day. That's the first step I want you guys to know, because if you don't have that first step in your mind, you're gonna lose it. You'll give up so early on trading. The second step to improve your trading journey is that do things differently. There's this parable that says that a fool is a person who keeps doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. It's not possible. When it comes to trading, if you're trying one thing over and over and it's not working, you have to do another thing. You have to look for something different that can actually improve what you're doing. Some people, right, they go online, they learn some strategies, and they keep testing that strategy over and over, and it fails. Now, instead of trying to look for a more different or a more better strategy, they are stuck. What you gotta do is that you have to look for another strategy. You have to look for the best strategy. You have to keep looking for the strategy that will work according to your trading discipline. You can't just give up on trading because, okay, I'm trying this strategy, it's not working, I keep blowing accounts or I keep losing money. If you're losing money consistently, it's because you are having the wrong strategy, or because you're having the wrong discipline. So you have to look for something that works. Let's say you see some mentor and he's doing very well in his trading and you actually see his results. You can go in for a mentorship. Don't just like sit down in the same point in your life hoping that things are going to change. Things are never going to change. So that was the second step. Now the third step is that you have to improve yourself daily. Commit to learning every single day. I want you to understand that trading is a business. It's not a job. With a job, you can work from Mondays to Friday. You take the weekends off. You rest and you do whatever you want to do. Trading, as a beginner, is supposed to be treated as a business. It's like you're trying to grow a tree. You keep learning every single day. Commit yourself to constant learning. That is what will help you, because some people take days off or months off. Let's say they blow their accounts, they'll come like after 4 or 5 months or 3 months to improve themselves. Meanwhile, if they blew their account, or let's say if they lost some money from trading, they keep trying to perfect themselves, trying to like look for what happened, what caused them to lose their account, trying to look for a way to tie the loose ends. Now the fourth step is that it's always good to join communities. So join communities, look for mentors, look for people that are having the same mindset, let's say positive mindset or a growth mindset, because you cannot be around the wrong people if you want to become good in life. It says that birds of the same feathers always stick together. So if you're around negative people and you're a trader, believe me, you will take more losses than wins, because each time you're having a bad day, you go to these people, they'll keep giving you bad advices or keep all this like evil thoughts, and this will just drain you down. You need to be around the positive people that are willing to change, people that are willing to do something better with their life. That's why it's good to have these trading groups where you can meet during the weekends and talk about trading, talk about the trades you took during the week, talk about some few things, like chillax, relax, have a wonderful time with those people, and this will help you that when you go in for trading the next week, you guys will be able to focus and do what is necessary. Now the next step is that you have to learn from your mistakes. Obviously, as a beginner or an intermediate, you will make a lot of mistakes. You have to learn from your mistakes. It means that each time you make a mistake, write it down on your trading journal. During the weekends, or let's say during the end of the day, you go through it. Because what will help you to become a good trader is that you cut off your mistakes. You cut off your losses, and you increase your wins. That's a very easy law in trading. You cut off your losses and you increase your wins. As a trader, as a beginner, on a personal journey, you will make a lot of mistakes. But now, when you make these mistakes, what do? You have to write them down, you have to correct yourself, and make sure you don't repeat exactly the same mistakes. Habits is what holds people from becoming successful. The same way is habit that makes people to become successful. So if you have good habits, you will become successful. If you have bad habits, you will never become successful. So after you've corrected your mistakes and you have created discipline, you need to make rules and follow them. That's the next step. Every single trader has his own rules. I may have my rules, you may have your own rules. Let's say another top mentor may have his own rules he used in trading. But every single trader has his own rules. And this is what makes you become a good trader. Most beginners or most intermediate, they don't have rules. They don't have rules. But personally, I have rules on my walls where I talk about the things that I'm not supposed to do, because I've realized that if I keep doing those same things, I'll keep having the same results. I'll keep failing. So it may be different for you, it may be different for me, because we're all different. Let's say we have different emotions, we have different level of fear and greed, so it works different for everyone. But I want you to understand that when you're building up this trading journey, make sure that you write down your mistakes, you create a discipline, create some rules, create some principles, and make sure you follow them. When you follow these rules and principles, then you become a good trader. Now the next thing is that you have to invest your income. Invest your income into assets that will appreciate in value. When you become a good trader, the first thing is not to go and buy a car or to go and buy a fancy house to show off to people, okay, that I'm a good trader. Those are mostly schemes used by scammers, or let's say people that want to sell courses online or sell content online. It's more like a marketing skills, a marketing strategy for some people. But that is not what you became a trader for. You became a trader to have a better life, to have more time, to be able to live financially free. It means that you have to invest in assets, not liabilities. Buying a car, let's say buying an expensive car, when you make your first cash out, or let's say you make like 2 million, 5 million, 6 million, 10 million, that is a waste of money. You should invest that into assets that will appreciate in value, like buying lands, like investing in businesses, because trading is not always guaranteed that you're gonna make money constantly. It's not a job. Even every business has its up moments and down moments. Sometimes you have losing months, sometimes you have winning months. But when you're having these losing months, it's what you have invested in that will be able to take care of you in winning months. The issue is that most traders, or let's say most beginners, or let's say most intermediate are struggling, is because they put all their dependency on trading for income. Meanwhile, if you are a professional trader, you have assets, so you are not pressured to take bad trades or to take quick trades, because you know, okay, I have my assets that are giving me income monthly, that are generating income monthly, so I don't have to depend too much on trading. This is why, look at it carefully, most of these professional traders that are having big accounts, they take like let's say 10 trades in a month, or 5 trades in a month, or even 2 trades in a month. Meanwhile, beginners take like 6,000 trades in a month, or beginners can take like 50 trades in a particular day, because they are trying to make money. Meanwhile, professional traders they're not in a let's say in a get rich quick scheme. They know the trades they want to take, they know the time they want to take, and they wait for the right time to take the right trades, because they're not in a hurry, because they have assets that are giving them income. So if they don't trade in a month, or if they don't trade, let's say, in the next 6 months, they will not be broke. This is the difference between a professional trader and a blueist, if you know what I'm talking about. Now the last step, which is the most important step, is that once you become good, once you've followed all these steps and you're improving and you're good in your trading journey, always try to teach other people. It's always good to give back to the community. Obviously, sometimes people not take it serious, because trading is a kind of like, it's a very, very tough, discipline oriented kind of task that you have to do. So people love easy things. However, if you commit yourself to train people, to teach people how to become good traders, then it'll be way different for you. Because when you're teaching, you're learning. The more you teach, the more you learn. The more you teach, the more you learn, which is also very important. So these are the 6 steps that I think is very good for you people to implement if you want to grow in this trading journey. Obviously, don't try to be the person that wants to make money so that he can show off, because that will kill you. It will kill your vibe early. Try to be the person that is trying to improve himself, be a better version of himself, and change the world. So that's it for this video. What do you think about it? Drop it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.